Good morning. Sabay again ha?
Di ba lagi ka?
Jesus. And say hello to my doggy, Moki. Because I have psoriasis and pickles. I'm with my frame. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is September 12 and it's already 4:30. We're staying here at Sada Hotel for the weekend hanggang next week. So basically, we're staying here for 5 days and 4 nights. And I know you're worried kung saan yung dog ko. Is Kipapet Hotel namin siya. I think better din siya, sabi nung nag-training sa kanya before. Para lang masanay siya if ever man need namin siyang iiwan for a long day. Maka-room tour kasi kuya ko na doon. Tapos ayaw na nagkasali siya sa video. Anyways, since may dinner kami later at 6 p.m., kailangan ko mag-workout. So, I'm changing into this one. Got this from TikTok. Actually, dalawa from TikTok siya. Hindi na siguro ako magtali ng hair. Smoke this. It's my fit. Pakita ko na later yung whole. Ayun. Yeah. Okay, I'm wearing my Onitsuka Tiger na shoes kasi siya bulky compare with my NB na isa pang shoes. And confident naman to kahit na like for workout, na-try ko na siya for walking. Siya, taga ko dito hindi nagamit actually. Ayun yung design niya. Super ganda. I bought this nung nag-Japan kami. Uy, patapon na lang ako dito cardigan ko kaya naka-shoes na ako. Nandiyan sa may...
Bag na ano?
I have, I think. Ito na bring ka na bag. Ito. Kasi ma-shoulder to. Actually, nabili ko sa TikTok. Dito ko ilagay lahat ng bag ko. Quick fit check. Wait. Top is from TikTok shop. Shorts is also from TikTok shop. Bag is also from TikTok shop. Cardigan. Nagdala na ako ng iPad kasi nandito yung guide ko. And of course, ang aking guide is from TikTok. Kasi pwede daw doon sabi ng coach ko. And shoes, ayan lang. So, very colorful. I love it. Created with gym. And, ayan. Wala na ika-colorful pa, ani. So, this is their pool area. Tapos from what I know, nag-renovate sila eh. Nandito yung gym nila. So, let's go. Yay, walang tao. I'm not gonna be shy. Yeah. Pala group order. Ay, meron ko sa towel. Nag-on ang towel ko. Ito, putid lang. Ayan, no eating, dropping, or slamming weights. Pray for me. Mga kabantay, siguro okay na. I think diretso lang tayo. Set up lang tayo ng gamit. Where can I put my things? Ay, my mat rin sila very good. So yeah, wait. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung gym nila. This is their gym. Ayan. And pool view siya, guys, in fairness. Hindi siya close, which I like. And yung aircon sakto lang, hindi siya super lamig. So, yeah, ayan. Okay po, sir. Set up lang ako ng mat kasi walang nalagyan ng gamit. So, I think magamit ko mag-work for later. Dito ko na nalagay ang aking things. Water. So, I have to review ano yung kailangan ng gawin. First is... Actually, galagay ko rin sa notes. 5 to 10 minutes. Deadlift and knock. Oh my god. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's coach. Pakita ko lang. Ayan yung workout. Nilagay lang ako ng link each para lang I know ano yung tama na form. Hey Siri, time 30 seconds. We're done! Hey guys, update. It's currently 6:22 and nandito na kami sa dining hall. And ang dinner buffet. Take worth it ang workout. Ano sa? Oh, nag-different lang yun ang mga lingkuranan. First honor. Guys, they have salmon. What is this one? Wala siyang name. Chicken. Oh my god, merong angus. Kaya may steak. Meron pa doon. Fruits. Ano pa ba? Tiramisu. May tiramisu. Diyos ko, Lord. This is my food. Kaala ko ng salmon, portion of rice, soup, fruits, and itong parang fresh veggies. Gnocchi soup. Sarap. Sarap naman. Guys, quick update. It's already 4 p.m. Actually, nauna na si Mama dun sa cafe na putahan namin kasi after breakfast and gym, nagpahinga lang kami. I'm booking a ride lang kasi near lang man din here yung cafe. By the way, we're going to one corner. Favorite yun namin sila. And as much as possible doon kami every weekend kasi love ko yung food doon. Actually, may gi-work din ako kaya natagalan ako tapos nauna na lang si Mama. Yun, nakuha na agad tayo. Grab ginagamit ko, guys. Hello po. Good afternoon.
One corner.
Guys, pa-deliver na lang with food because it's raining outside. And tamad na rin maglabas. Nakapantulog na gani ako. Ordered tiempo. Time check, it's already 6:57. Ngayon pa kami mag-dinner. So, this is my dinner. Shirataki rice. Ano, inasana chicken. Tapos, kalimutan ko nang itawag. Achara. Tapos, gulay ko. Tapos, gigamitan ko lang nito. Ha? Gamitan ko lang nito kay para hindi maulaan ang bed, of course. Pag-iig mo lang. Ah, okay. We're here at Anseco. Yes po, Kera. Meron din kaming itlog.
Ay, okay.
Kami sa Once Coffee. Check out na kami sa Seda and we're gonna grab coffee before we pick up our dog. Ay, di ko bujicha. Miss ko naman bujicha do. Wait, nag-isip ako if mag-coffee ako. Ano na lang po akin? 1 blanco. Tapos, pa? Ano yung big? Ano yung malaki?
22.
Pero nahulog siya.
Oh?
Kaya siya sa lawas.
Ayan, matcha na lang.
Ikaw, magsabi ko.
Matcha na lang ng birthday. Birthday.
Verde. Hey guys, we're here at Once Coffee. Naka-check out na kami sa hotel. Then, we're gonna pick up Mochi. Pero mag-grab muna kami ng coffee since may pahilang sila nung lalo na. Yeah. We're gonna pick up Mochi now. Ayo. Apa?
Moki!
Look, kuya ko, uy. Kuya ko, uy. Moki! Lo, sa akin maglapit gang, hindi kay kuya. Apa?
Bagong groom siya, di kalat dyan niya ang iyang-ihing.
Ay, sus.
Wala ka na.
Ano size na pampers niya po?
Ano to, di pa mo ta? Large na.
Lablab na, lablab kuya. Lablab kuya. Jesus. Jesus. Oh, feel mo na dito, gang. It's the Easy Creme Stick. Tama ba? Or blush stick. So, kasi super cute niya. Actually, I expected na parang mas malaki siya based on the videos. Pero guys, grabe niya lang jud kaliit. Like, so small. Like, ito yung phone ko. Decorate ko muna siya. Kasi meron tayo dito mga stickers. Ayan siya. Tapos, gigamit ko lang yung pang eyelash ko dati para ito yung gamitin ko mag lagay-lagay ka na rin siya. Okay, update. Ito na yung nagawa ko. This is Beam and Safe Word. Ayan. So cute. Good morning so much. Today is Saturday and we're gonna play tennis. It's currently 8 and may nagalaro pa. Gina-wait lang din namin yung friends namin because yesterday nagkita kami gabi and nag-catch up. Kaya sila mag-tennis. So, I woke up extra early today kahit na Sabado. Pero okay na rin, para productive. I'm with my friends, Evan, Kesa. Magtennis sila today, so let's see.
We'll try.
Come to tennis with us. This is our instructor.
Kung i-watch mo, hindi mo balik makalit po. Era pag kayo. Ay, mag-check ta dito. Madikit na sa kuan. Wow. Kanang, madikit na siya dito. Pag dari, kay, ano? Ha?
Accessory na siya.
Gibay na ako. So, mas kinasa na angle.
Scary.
Buzz down, Tatiana. Buzz down, Tatiana. Cute na!
Ako naman. Black ko tanan.
Sige daw, be. Isbugi dito, tungay. Isbugi. Unsa imong mali?
Mana ka?
Bounce.
Bounce. Nagana lang ko. Di mo lang ko mo ano.
Ano lang. Nya, ay siya utok. Na mi kay gutom na. How's my teaching?
So strict. I rate her 2 out of 5.
But it's free. But it's free though.
5.
Okay.
Friendship discount.
I'll get it. Burn, ikaon na pod. Pero dapat healthy. Akong favorite dito kay kuan, ilahang avocado toast. And aside sa inasal, I love their Moroccan chicken. Kapay lamigin akong gina-favorite dito, ginakaon ay. Avocado to, Sir Jod po.
Tara mo, parutog na.
Uy, kaluoy po ni Zach, uy.
Naama ko yung mga friends na nag-tennis po. So, first time man. Adi ko dira, ikaw ato dire. Apo. Kuan sila yung mga rocket yun.
We're here at Soul Kitchen. Girly Pops.
1,800.
Ano na? Ikaw na ba?
Kani Jud?
Ah, yeah.
Isang chicken na sa... dalawa. Isa.
Yun din ata. Yun din ang what niya. Do you recommend it?
Gusto go. If not, ayaw.
How about in financial terms?
If meron money, go. If wala, not. Pero if pwede maka-scholarship, kayo mag-scholarship.
What year are you na? Second. And still going.
Yes,
No bagsak.
Going strong.
No bagsak. Yung kanina, nagilagay ko, yung sa baba, kaya yung mataas good kanina, yan yung para extra battery niya. Ako akay
There's a mess.
Seb and Mel.
Mess.
Ang gusto ko sa hawli yung, ang gusto ko sa hawli yung chicken nila. Picturean ko to kasi ma-update ako may coach. Nag-eat out na po. Gote. Gote.
The tiger, iconic symbol of the wild, and an apex predator that we fear and admire.
Ay, kami tatlo. Sino magaling mag-photo? Bakit si Eva yung chicken yung mga? Kasi ito masarap. Next
Feeling,
is
we're at
coffee.
Daghan kong extra na...
It's a steep.
As in...
Isang ticket. We ordered matcha para different.
same
Yan may
like
cha.
religion.
Na-try mo na yan?
Patry na ko.
Yum,
Muli sa'yo na yun,
Compare mo
ano?
yun sa volume 2.
Ulutin na daw ka ay.
Nag-ano ako gahapon, don't make decision when you're too happy and you're too sad. My favorite drink.
Pwede siya.
That's Tuki. Black sesame.
Saan naman kayo mag-rocket?
Yun din sabi sa kanya, huwag ka mag-buy nang meron ka na. Taste test, Ate Girlie. Isot na, try na.
Demanding. Pero bit...
Much ano siya, much lighter. More on roasted matcha siya. Guys, we're playing Chameleon. Okay, go!
Oh, wait.
Me!
That's fine.
Nani siya ka ng ginaselebrate na tao.
I think so, yes. I think so. How about you? What's your answer?
Yes.
Yes. Is this celebration...
I think so.
Wait lang! Sabay again ha?
Munting lagi ka!
Is this celebration being celebrated with delicious food?
Of
Of
course.
course, yes.
Alam nga, tanan man gurute.
No,
Wala mag-celebrate ko nga, no?
it really depends on the situation.
Actually, I still talk to my sister using our British accent.
Listen to me when I say that the saying goes, This is women or men?
We converse in English,
Women or men?
both the British accent as well as the American English accent.
Ordered I make food because we got hungry. Ay, nganong nawang ninyo? Ay, nganong nawang. Yummers! We ordered sa one corner. Mac and cheese.
Uy, makamot ba yun?
Ano to? Ay, ayusin mo yung marshmallow. Tapos quesadilla, then drinks. Buti mo ka nagtatag TV. Makita mo dyan, if nag-aupo ka, makita mo pa ang TV. Ay, really? Sana all. Kain. Gutom, of course.
Wala na ako nuggets na ron.
Kaya yun ang lamig kasi masarap ang ranch niya na na sauce. Hey everyone, today is Thursday and I just want to share what I eat in a day as someone who enrolled herself into a body recomposition. We started last September 3, so mag 1 month na ako this October 3. And may bisita po tayo dito at kakainin ata ang aking pagkain. Say hello to my doggy, Moki. Say hi palangga. Guys, big na kayo siya. I don't know if you watch my, like, yung mga dati ko pa na vlog, nagkami yung pakaliit. And now he's 8 months old and mag 1 year old siya this January, which is next year. Let me drink water sa... Sana ko pala mag-right and diet. Should I? Okay. Bawal to sa'yo. Favorite ko na flavor na right and light. Either cucumber or yung may laman ng calamansi, yan ba yun? But yeah, we are allowed to drink this one kay no sugar siya, no calories, and no carbs. And palangga mag-behave mo. Ay, no. Change position tayo. Ito yung angle ko kasi siya na nagkupo dyan. Say hi palangga! So let me share to you what I eat. So, we have here cucumber. Actually, dapat kamatis yan. Pero, for some reason, feel ko hindi ako pwede ng kamatis. Tapos, we have 2 eggs. Actually, dapat 4 eggs siya. Pero, ginahati ko siya for dinner and chicken. Let me share to you why I started body recomposition. Why I enrolled myself into body recomposition. As you all know, if you're following me, Jude, but last June, I went to Siargao, to Cebu. In August, I went to Manila. Basically, 3 trips na sunod-sunod. And of course, I will eat good food. Out of that 3 trips is I gained weight. It's a struggle for me. If you have PCOS kasi, it's really hard to lose weight. As someone na super hilig sa sweets, I can't live without having sweet treat every after meal. And also, I love matcha, I love coffee. As much as possible, I drink one energy booster lang a day. Hindi ko siya napansin na gano'n na pala yung weight ko. Not when I checked my previous video, like, grabe, bilog ka, uy. Like, one of my indicator pag nag-weight gain na ako is yung pants ko. Because I have psoriasis and PCOS. And for me to control both is I need to change my lifestyle. From 60, naging 56 ako. Kasi nga, nakasakit ako. 56 na ako. I want pa na magbaba, like maybe 55 to 54. As I controlled na my sweets. Because when you eat sweets kasi, mas mag-crave ka to eat more. Yung nangyari sa akin. Ian Dressel was actually talking about body recomposition because we saw it in Shai's TikTok. Magasto siya, guys. Hindi lang siya yung parang akala mo lang na, okay, luto ako gulay, bila ako gulay. Mahal siya actually, guys, with the breast, kamatis, cucumber, itlog. Dati sa grocery kami nagabay, pero para makatipid and mas makamura, nagago kami ng palengke ng boyfriend ko. And speaking of boyfriend, kasabay ko siya sa body recomposition. So sabi ko, parang hindi ko kaya na ako lang. Tapos plan niya din actually, because of his lifestyle nga sa work niya. Minsan makasobra siya eat. Okay, sabay tayo mag-enroll. Start lang tayo mga September 3 para makakain muna tayo or makadrink tayo na matcha before that day. And what I realized is that hindi ka lang ma-discipline because of like what you eat or your activities. Ma-discipline ka din in terms of like you have to portion your eat. Kasi yun naman talaga, guys. Time I checked is 54 na ako, which is yun yung parang parating weight ko from 56. Pero so far, I feel light in a way na dati kasi, grabe, halos everyday good ako mag kilo, which is really unhealthy and mentally, it's not good. Tapos, always ako nagatingin sa aking arms. Like, pag always na ako naka-sleeveless, diba? So, always ako nagatingin sa aking arms. Like, hala, baka malaki na. Or magtingin ako sa mirror. Tapos, in my pants, sometimes nag-wear na lang ako ng parang matago yung aking belly. Right now, so far, iba din talaga yung ma-feel mo na confidence pag maganda yung fit na sa'yo ng clothes mo. So, yun na lang yung ginaisip ko. Yun yung motivation ko. I want not just to look good, but feel good wearing anything that I want. So, ayun lang guys. I'm actually thinking of making a like TikTok video or dito sa YouTube natin for my second month. So, let's see. Because so far, I'm adjusting sa first month because I have to prepare everything. Like, time management, kalaban mo din. Ang motivation din pala namin ng boyfriend ko why we enrolled or start na mag-diet is that matapos kami by first week of December. And we want sa Noche Buena and New Year na ma-enjoy namin yung food. Ayaw namin na mag-think na bawal tayo nito. And also, yung enroll namin sa gym is 6 months. So, I feel like at matapos kami with our body recomposition program is mag-gym pa rin kami. Sana may napulot kayong aral sa portion na to.
Seafood mantra lang po.
Magtingin ba no eye contact? Hindi tayo maharap. First time mag-pickleball. Let's see. Hello, good morning. We're gonna attend yoga today, kaya nakaayos tayo. And it's currently 8:15 and yung yoga class natin is at 9. So, possible alis ako dito by 8:40 para lang sakto yung dating ko doon. I'm not too early and of course, hindi dapat tayo late. So, after yoga, uwi lang din ako because I have to prepare my food and do some work. Tapos, tennis agad pagkahapon. I don't think mag-gym pa kami later since yung exercise namin for today is yung tennis na. Ayan, ito na yung aking go-to na hairstyle whenever I go to gym or like yoga or tennis. Ponytail lang natin. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, ang gamit ko pala, para lang magbaba yung mga baby hair ko. Kasi naubos na yung galing sa Japan. So, ang gamit ko is yung pambansang gel na mga high school or papa. In fairness, ayan, kaya niya lang ma-clean ang mga baby hair around there. And what I love about this one is matagal siya maubos. So, okay na to. Good for, many use na. Hair, dagdag lang ako nitong hair tie para lang mas cutesy siya tingnan. Ayan. Wait, check natin. Check niyo. Ayan siya. And I'm just wearing itong yoga set from Cheek. So, I'll do a fit check lang later. Pakla ako ng mga things ko, then water din pala. And alas na ako. See you later! Ay! Ano yan? Yo, I think okay na yan. By the way, a package arrived. So let's open it and it's from Issy, of course. And ito ata yung kanilang bago na fat gloss. So as you all know, if ginaiwan namin yung gold namin, na siya lang bito isa, kay we installed a CCTV para makita namin if ano yung ginagawa niya. And at the same time, we can talk din sa CCTV. Tapos, ang ginagawa din namin is nag-on kami ng TV, guys. Kaya baka kasi masepang bitaw siya. Para din, if ever man, mabawasan yung anxiety niya na siya lang isa. So, as much as possible, para meron ng white noise. Pero most lang ginagawa niya, if siya lang dito isa, is patulog lang. Hindi yung makita namin sa CCTV. Hindi kaya, if like, after pag medyo matagal, like 2 hours, makita namin siya na mag-gising. Tapos, mag-play lang siya sa kanyang mga toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll make a separate video for this one with a blizzard. Pisin lang, luto na ako.